In this guide, you are going to learn how to sum in Excel. Select the values contained in different cells. Click Formula Star. Click AutoSum. Select Sum. And here we have the value below. Alternatively, you can sum by putting the formula in a cell where you want to get the result. Click on the cell where you want to get your result. Type equals. Start quoting the cells by clicking on each, then followed by plus sign. Click on the third cell, add plus. Click on the fourth cell, add plus. Click on the fifth cell. And after you have quoted the last cell, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. And here we have the same result. Thank you. I hope you learned something great. Please do want to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and then hit the like button if this video is helpful to you. Also, if you want to get some notifications about my videos on technology, that's another reason why you should subscribe to my channel.